You want to have to. All those people, because you're not in charge and you're going to step out. So step out here and you're going to step out there.
Okay, I'll step out.
Okay. You're not in charge anymore. You're like a one-person crime wave. It's over now.
Can I just talk to you instead? Okay. Can you like walk me somewhere so I can talk to you?
I can walk you to my car.
Okay.
Okay. So where's the cash?
In cuffs.
Okay, where is it? Is it in your shoe?
It's on me.
Okay, where?
It's just on me. That's it.
Where?
It's just on me.
Where?
It's on me. That's it.
Where?
It's just on me. That's it. It's just on me. That's it.
In your
It starts small, but the danger hits fast. A teen walks out of a Nordstrom Rack fitting room and her phone, wallet, every credit card gone. Cameras catch a woman in all black, moving low, silent, professional. A thief who knows exactly what she's doing. Cops are reviewing the footage when another call hits right across the street. A restaurant owner has a woman locked inside. Cash vanished off a counter and he swears she took it. Officers press her. She finally gives up the cash and the stolen credit card. But the real twist? You won't believe where she hid it.
Okay, and there's another situation that I was across the street that I also have to talk to you about, okay? Alright, so do you have any of his cash on you?
I walked in the restaurant and they were all screaming about money. I walked up to the counter to pay for my pizza. I thought I'd rehab. I don't have anything on me. Like, let me just get punched in the face by two old white men. It's totally fair to get punched in the face by two old white men. I feel like I just got pinned on, like, literally.
Okay. Well, if I have no idea what happened here, okay?
Why can't you look at the cameras?
I don't know what happened here, okay? But there was an incident. I was across the street. Were you with your friend over at Nordstrom Rack?
No, I just got out of the car.
So you weren't at Nordstrom Rack about an hour ago?
Nordstrom Rack? I was at Trader Joe's.
How? They have you on video, okay, taking the bag and her cell phone.
No, I literally saw a bag that I was trying to like switch my bag out, like my rehab bag, and I saw a bag there, but I put everything on the floor, like once I like realized it was someone's bag. I thought it was like a bag to buy.
So you first just said that you weren't at Nordstrom Rack and
I
then you
didn't
were?
like pay attention to the stores.
Shows you take the cash at the money.
Okay, yeah. It's fine. You guys are arresting me, right? Literally. She said I stole at Nordstrom Rack.
You got multiple charges right now. However, this theft can be alleviated if you let us know, hey, it's a policeman, whatever the case may be. When we take you back to the jail, we're going to search anyway. If we find it, we can get it back to him.
What options do I have?
You didn't just listen to him. He's willing to decline to prosecute if he gets his money back. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Okay. Just sit right now. Okay. So where's the cash?
Where's my bag?
Where in the bag?
It's in my bag.
Okay, well the other officers checked those bags and so did I, and there's no cash. The guy in here is working with other officers.
They locked me in here, so ma'am, I called the police. I didn't do anything.
Listen, let me finish, okay? So
I'm still going to jail no matter what. You can tell me anything you want to right now.
I'm trying to talk to you, okay? The guy inside is willing to decline to prosecute on this charge if he gets his money back.
Prosecuting what though? I went inside to buy a pizza. Like I didn't do anything.
That you took money
I saw $2 on the counter.
So where is that $2?
I literally just had $2. I could have dropped it.
That's it. So if you're not, we just checked through the bag. So if you're gonna tell me that it's in the red bag or in a pocket, we can go look. All right? Is it with your friend in the car?
I didn't even make it back to the car.
Okay. So is it on you? Is it in your shoe? Because this charge can be handled with.
Okay, and then I'm gonna still go to jail. So what's the point?
I have to go figure out what the. Okay. Forget about the other.
No, I can't.
Okay, so you're gonna have multiple charges instead.
For what though? I didn't do anything.
Okay. You just admitted to me that you took money. All right, that wasn't yours. That's it. You know that, right? Okay. So all we're asking is for you to give the money back to this guy here, and then we'll talk about the other situation.
What other situation?
I'll talk to you about it. Okay. But do you want to give the money back here? Because that's the only way that you're...
Yes.
Okay, where is it?
It's like what's the point of going to jail like this? I can't.
But I'm asking you for money and you won't be charged with this. So you have one more chance or
I
else
literally
we're going...
can't even take it out. I'm in handcuffs.
Okay, where is it? Is it in your shoe?
It's on me.
Okay, where?
That's it.
Where?
It's just on me.
Where?
It's on me. That's it.
Where?
It's just on me. That's it. It's just on me. That's it.
In your underwear?
Literally, it's on me. That's it.
I don't
It's just right there.
Right here.
Yes. Literally.
So we were gonna find this either way.
Yeah. Literally.
Is this
Oh, you
all
were
of
gonna
it?
find that either way?
Well, you didn't want to talk to me.
That's
and you were gonna get
$2. That's literally $2. What the fuck? No, this is like not okay. This isn't fair. They're cards. They're cards. They're cards.
Whose card?
I don't know whose card.
Whose card is
I
this?
don't know whose card.
Where did you get this card from?
I found it. I
Where?
literally found it.
Where?
On the floor.
Where?
On the floor out here. Yeah, like literally.
On the floor out in this plaza?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I know you're lying to me.
How am I lying?
Because this is from across the street.
Ma'am, I
This
literally
card is from
found it
across
on
the street
floor. I was with
at
a
Nordstrom
bunch of
Rack.
kids from rehab, and literally they robbed the store, and literally like,
You weren't with a bunch of kids. But okay, if you're not going to tell me the truth, I'm not going to keep talking to you. So,
man, everything.
This is
I'm
all the
fucked
cash?
right now. I'm fucked. Like I just made a
You're
mistake.
lying to me.
I'm on drugs, trying to get sober, and I stole because I wanted to eat a pizza. That's it.
Okay.
Whatever.
okay,
Now my face is on camera everywhere, and that's it. This is humiliating enough.
take a breath. If you're going to lie to me, I'm not going to
I'm not lying to you. I stole. I saw the bag in the mall. I just stole the fucking money. That's
Okay.
it. I was hungry. I don't
Is
have money.
this-
My card's not working.
Okay, is this all the cash?
That's
Girl
it. I
changes
don't-
her story so many times that officers can barely keep up. Every time they remind her she's been seen on camera, her story takes another turn. First, she denies everything. Then she blames someone else. Then she creates a brand new version out of thin air. When that lie falls apart, she even makes up a story about being with other kids from rehab who robbed the store, trying anything she can to shift the blame. But with cameras catching her every move and the evidence literally hidden on her, there is nowhere left for her story to go. She finally broke down and told the officer where the cash was in her underwear. And that's when the officer discovered the credit cards were hidden in the same, not so good place.
Oh, in her underwear. Like up here.
I'll let you give that back.
Yep. Yeah. That's the victim's. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
Get the money back, we can still charge her with the theft.
Yeah.
There's no problem doing that.
Make sure everything's there.
But I know. Tell her Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
So we're clear. She's victimized now two other people.
Yeah.
You want to charge her with stealing $700? Say it.
Then I gotta go to court too.
It's possible, but not guaranteed.
Yeah. What do you think I should charge?
Totally up to you. I'm just telling you she stole credit cards and stuff. She
Across the street and then came here.
across the street and then punched the owner slash owner.
Again, it's completely up to you. Yeah.
Your charge. And then you're gonna have to do whatever you have to do. You're gonna have to.
It's up to you. I wanted to make sure you knew the full story. It wasn't just you today that she victimized. So again, totally up to you. I am going to, yeah. Slipping out of these is not going to do anything for you. But make it worse. Where's the other driver's license?
Make sure those
Yeah.
Where? You don't have any of it? Okay. Yep. Look that way.
She's brought into the Delray Sheriff's Department. Detectives waiting, no excuses left. The victim gets her stolen credit cards back, but the teen's ID is never found. She refuses to say where she hid it. And the darkest part? She was only hours out of rehab, already chasing the next high, already stealing again. This case shows how fast addiction pulls someone straight back into lies, theft, and destruction. If cops didn't catch her, how far do you think she would be gone? Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Stolen cash and cards, hidden where police never expected.